Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today we're gonna open another Shein haul. Another day, another package! So guys, i-open na natin ang aking package. Actually, dumating ito 2 days ago at ngayon lang ako may time na i-open siya because today is my day off. Ganon, para clear talaga. And I remember, ito ay mga damit, as always. Mga damit at may pa-massage din na para sa mukha. Anyway, now let's open it up. Daradan, dadan, dadan. Si Martin andyan nakatingin. Yung ano ba, yung face expressions, nakakainis. So, open na natin guys. My God. Nainis si Martin. Wala daw para sa kanya. It's all for me. For you dong next time now, okay? These are all for me. There. The first product is Beautiful Eyes. Beautiful Eyes. Ganyan. Kasi may nabasa ako na it can help daw to relax the eyes. Yung mata ko guys, grabe. Laging pagod. Tapos, yeah, just hoping that it could help. Open natin siya. I'm not sure if it needs battery or it has to be charged. Ganun. Pero, excited ako. This is my first time to order something like this in Shein. And, yeah. And Titan Beautiful Eye Light Pattern.
Rich in introduction.
Don't look. Ah, yeah. Chargeable siya. Okay. What is this?
Apparently,
My God, it's really moving so.
And that is, you sure that is for the eyes?
Yeah, it got the package is ice.
Okay.
Oh my God. Paano siya gawin? Is there an instruction where to put it? Baka mabulag tayo nito ba? So guys, maganda siya na product kasi ano siya, i-charge mo lang. And I thought na kailangan ko pa siya i-charge ngayon, but it's not. It's already charged. And then, let me see. This is the steps. Ganyan. So, apply skincare products evenly around the eyes. Slide the switch to apply the massage head to the eyes. Gently lift the massage head from the eye to the temple. Gently massage to promote absorption. And then, there's also for evenly, then pwede din pala ito sa mukha talaga, hindi lang siya sa eyes. So, it can also be sa forehead, ganyan. And it says here that it will help lift up the legal lines and fine lines at the corners of the mouth. Ganun! Try. Oh my God, very strong actually. But then I can see the anong tawag nun? I can see the purpose of this kasi nga I think if you maglagay ka ng cream sa mukha mo tapos ganyan mas feeling ko ma-absorb ng skin yung pinaglalagay mo sa mukha mo. But anyway, that was the first one. It's very nice. Ganun. Very strong siya guys, promise. The next would be another one. This one actually is a mistake because hindi ko parang I just realized it after ko siya na-order na parang because I feel like this one and this one is like same. But then again, this one is not waterproof and I think this one is waterproof because clean face into massage beauty machine. The pores clean moisture. Tapos may mga ganyan. So open natin siya. Charing. Ooh. Look. Ganun. Open.
What is that?
This is like a like that. Why, Martin? No, but this one, do you have to buy battery for this one? Okay. The other one is pwedeng i-charge. Ito naman, hindi chargeable. So, I have to buy battery for this one. And then, pwede pala siyang ilagay nito, guys. Oh. Then, same thing. Ilagay siya. Tapos, it can clean the pores daw. Ganyan. So, maganda siya. Pretty, pretty. Excited akong gamitin to. So, yun. Yun yung second product. Everything for the beauty. Kasi nga, medyo tumatanda na tayo. May mga ganyan-ganyan na. But then, I'm not complaining. I love myself. I love myself. No, I'm not worried getting older. I'm embracing it. Anyway, ang mga kadamit, oh, okay, later na. So then, may mga, ito na yung mga in-order ko, guys. So first, tapos na tayo sa first two items. This is the third one. Mabulaklak. It's because it's summer. Of course, we want flowers in our lives. Oh, parang plastic na plastic yung ano. But it's fine. Look at that. Look at that. So, ready for the summer. Tapos, pag ganyan-ganyan ka, tapos mag-short ka lang, ganyan. Ready. And, yeah. I like this. Size is small. Prices, hindi ko na, I can't remember the prices, but of course, it's cheap because I don't buy expensive things. Obviously. So, ilalagay ko yung mga link below so you can find the prices. Ganun. So, next is this one. I don't know, but I am getting into this kind of patterns. Feeling ko parang, ano lang, parang maganda siya. Oh, may pa-extra ano pa, oh. If ever. So, yung second is 2 items siya. Oh, with the fit. 2 items siya. This one is pants. There. Tapos yung pants na ito ay actually perfect size. I mean, yung length niya. Kasi hindi tayo masyadong mataas, guys. Nasa mga 4'11 lang tayo. So, the problem is always, like, if I buy pants, it's always gonna be, like, super long. Ganyan. Pero ito, perfect ang length sa akin. Tapos, this is the partner. Parang ganitong style din yung suot ko ngayon. But anyway, this is the blouse. I love it. Extra small. Emery Ross. Pero sa Shein pa rin yan. Parang, different brand ng Shein. Tapos ito yung partner. Yeah, that one. This one I really, really like. I'm excited to wear this. This is perfect for this season. Summer. What's next? Martin, do you like this? What do you think about this? You're not thinking? Okay, now for the next item. Ito talaga yung, ay malaki siya. But anyway, baka malaki lang sa pag isinuot, hindi. So this one, it's partner also, short and a blouse. Ganun. I like the color. Very neutral lang. Tapos look at the details here. Isn't that so fucking pretty?
Boring.
No, it's not boring. I love it! And then this is that one. Very nice. So, partner din. And then next product. My God, ang dami ko palang pinamili. Next product. Charan! And this one, I remember it na partner din. Oh, I like the blouse actually. There you go. I like this blouse. Gusto ko yung mga may paganito ba. Ganyan. Maganda siya. I love it. Tapos yung pants. Try natin. Okay din yung medyo mataas yung pants. But then, itaas mo lang din to para medyo okay yung sa baba. But anyway, this is the partner. Pretty, pretty. Love that. My God. I got so much. And then this is the other one. And this one, this is just a blouse. I remember it because this is the last one na nilagay ko sa aking cart. And this is called Rusty Dusty. There. bohemian style. Oh, ang laki niya. Ang laki. This is so big. But then again, if I cannot fit this, I can always put it in the box. Then,
It's Bohemian style.
yeah, but maybe it should be like this, right? Maybe it's fine.
Maybe you should try it on.
I'll try it on later na.
For the
See?
camera.
Oh! Anyway, Shein pa rin to guys, and the size is small, pero medyo sa bigger side siya. Pero baka pag sinuot ko, okay pa rin. The next one is this one. Ito ay, ito yung dress, I think. Yes, pa-dress. Small. Ito guys. Ganyan. I like it. And then, pwede siyang ma-adjust dito pag medyo malaki ba. So, it can be adjusted here. Pero medyo maging okay naman siya. That one, it's so nice. I think these are my favorite purchases sa Shein. Maganda. And then, the last one. Ano, meron pa pala? Oh my God! Oh my God, I got so much! I'm so happy! Anyway. So, this is
Joke
the
lang,
last one.
Just joke lang.
The last one. Ano siya guys? Ito yung mga uso-uso ngayon. Actually, we got it in H&M. Pero, sa H&M, ano talaga yun? Yung parang linen? Is that how you say it? Linen? It's like the fabric for summer na ano siya, super cold ng textile niya. But then I find it expensive because yung mga prices nasa 200 plus crowns, ganyan, and it's just a pants. So, I bought this one. This is not linen, but, you know, it could be like the imitation of that one. And this one, I remember it, the price is like 70 crowns. So, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy that. Now I got it. Now I got it. So pretty. So, ito yung parang uso-uso ngayon dito. There. And finally, the last one. Ganun. Yeah. Wonderful. Wear your wonderful. Ano siya guys, it is a parang brush siya pero naka-sticker. Tapos, yung style niya is, can I open it up? I will try. Ganun. So, naka-sticker siya. And it's very nice kasi pag may dresses ka na ayaw mo makita yung parang strap ng likod or yung strap ng dito. So, this is very nice. And then yung ano mo, yung breast mo, nalilift up din siya because of this. Igaganyan mo lang siya. But anyway, this is my first time na bumili ako ng something ganito. Meron akong pang nipo lang or yung parang bra talaga na ganyan. Pero first time itong bumili ako ng ganito. And I think it looks nice. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna be wearing this because, you know, summer dresses, ganyan. So, yeah. I'm excited to try this on. But of course, hindi ko napapakita sa inyo. Grabe naman. Anyway, yun guys. Yun yung aking mga pinamili for the summer season. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use everything kasi ang gaganda nila, ang gaganda ng kulay. I'm so happy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And yung lahat ng mga pinamili ko, I will include the link below. Baka naman gusto nyo din. So, makita nyo. So, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.